morning, the X1CC for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo. For officers, members of the X1CC, please do stand by. In 3 minutes time, we will start the roll call. Thank you. For Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, the time now is exactly 8 o'clock, Alpha Mike, Philippine Standard Time. To all stations on the frequency, please stand by. We will start the DX1 CC members and honorary members roll call. Let's start it with the prayer. Heavenly Father, we thank you for all the blessings you give us. Forgive our shortcomings against you and our neighbor. Give us always the strength to do good and resist doing evil. Guide and bless us as we conduct this Sunday roll call. Teach us to listen to your words. Make us transmit the same love you shower us every day with words and actions. Make us your instruments of peace, joy, and unity through this hobby. We ask this in Jesus' name. Amen. Good morning, DX1CC, the Cabcom. This is for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo. My name is Teddy. My location is Dasmariñas, Cavite, and I will be calling this week's roll call. And also be reminded that I'm temporarily transmitting on RF via the VHF bridge of the X1CC. So you can call on RF so I can give you your signal strength if you wish to. Just a reminder, emergency, priority, and medical traffic can break in anytime during the net, and the net control will stop the net so that the group can give assistance to the call. This is a weekly roll call for the X1CC officers, members and honorary members only. For those non-members, please be on QRX and standby. You can join our other scheduled nets as follows. Every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays in the morning, digital net at 7:30 Alpha Mike Philippine Standard Time. And also every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturdays, and Sundays during in the evening for the 2-meter net at 8 Papa Mike Philippine Standard Time. For more information about our nets, please visit our website dx1cc.org or our Facebook group page. Just search for DX1CC. The net control will be calling the stations for our members and honorary members who checked in the previous Sunday. For stations, members and honorary members that were not called, please wait until the net control finishes the list and the calls for members who wish to join and support the roll call. Thank you. And so with that, let's now begin the roll call proper by calling the first station on the list, the president of the group, the club president and the board of director from Imo City, Cavite, Delta Zulu 4 Echo, Press Ed Pil. Happy Sunday and good morning. Welcome to the roll call.
For Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, Teddy, good morning and good morning to all officers, members, and honorary members of CAPCOM, DX1CC. And also, good afternoon, good evening sa honorary members na natin sa Amerika. Delta Zulu 4 Echo checking in and joining our roll call for this Sunday. 73, blessed Sunday, everyone. God bless. Back to you, Teddy. For Golf 1, Romeo X-Ray Echo, Delta Zulu 4 Echo. I'll be standing by.
Ayun, thank you very much, Press Edfield, for always supporting our roll call and still holding the number 1 list. That's our president. And thank you again yesterday for sharing more of your talents to our stations. Anyway, that was the station of Delta Zulu 4 Echo, Press Edfield from Imo City, Cavite, the club president and board of director. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station, for India 1, Foxtrot Zulu uniform. Tito Ray from Novaliches, Quezon City. Magandang umaga po dyan. Welcome to the roll call of the group.
And good morning, Teddy, for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo. Ayun, good morning sa lahat ng istasyon. Good morning kay First Edfield, BP Richard, BP Mako, at sa lahat ng DX1CC family, good morning. Ayun, station of 4 India 1 Foxtrot Zulu uniform ring ng Novaliches. Checking in to our Sunday roll call. Other track. Mabuhay and 73 and happy Sunday. Salamat, Teddy.
Likewise, Ray, maraming salamat din at happy Sunday likewise. Tito Ray, maraming salamat for always supporting the group's roll call. That was the station of 4 India 1 Foxtrot Zulu uniform. Tito Ray from Novaliches, Quezon City. And the club public relations officer. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Acknowledging the station for her early check-in. The club treasurer, Tita Jermin, for Hotel 1, Oscar Sierra Oscar. Her station is now properly loud and clear. Now moving to the next station from General Trias City, Tito Sam, for India 1 Hotel, Foxtrot Golf, for X-Ray Echo for the roll call. Magandang umaga diyan.
Magandang umaga naman. Walang traffic for Italy 1 Hotel Foxtrot Golf. Sam here in General Trias. Have a blessed weekend. Have a blessed Sunday. 7-3, mabuhay.
Ayun, likewise, Tito Sam, have a pleasant Sunday likewise to you and 73 and also you our mabuhay to your station. So thank you very much for always supporting the roll call of the group. That was the station of Ford India 1 Hotel Foxtrot Golf, Tito Sam from General City. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station from Cavite City, or baka nasa Gentry, or nasa Tansa, Richard, the Club Assistant Secretary General and one of the NCS of the X1CC. For India 1, Yankee Juliet Bravo. Nakapaglaba ka ba? Spin mo na ba? Tito Richard, magandang umaga and happy Sunday there. Second goal for the station, for India 1 Yankee Juliet Bravo. Tito Richard, magandang umaga. Welcome to the roll call of the group. I got no copy. Anyway, you can check back after the list, Richard. Moving to the next station, acknowledging the station of Father Tom. 4 Golf 1 Whiskey for his early check-in at Sunday ngayon. Busy talaga si Father. So, 4 Golf 1 Whiskey. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station from Las Piñas City, Metro Manila. Tito Danny, Delta Whiskey 1 Hotel, Oscar, Quebec. Magandang umaga po dyan. Welcome to the roll call of the group.
Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo Delta Whiskey 1 Hotel Oscar, Quebec. Good morning, Teddy. Good morning and good day, everyone. No traffic, just joining the roll call. Thank you, 73.
Likewise, magandang umaga na 73 there, Danny. Thank you very much for always supporting the group. That was the station of Delta Whiskey 1 Hotel Oscar, Quebec, from Las Piñas City, Metro Manila. Joining the roll call of the group, no traffic. The station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station from Bacoor City, Cavite, the Club Auditor General of the group, Tito Jeff, Delta Zulu 1 Oscar. Magandang umaga po dyan. Welcome to the roll call of the group.
Good morning, Tito Teddy, 41 Romeo X-Ray Echo. Tama ba? Kaya na, kagigising lang. Good morning, Peloham, and good evening, Ibayong Dagat. Delta Zulu 1 Oscar po, also known as 4 India 1 Oscar Alpha Delta, supporting and joining the Sunday roll call. Negative traffic, mabuhay 73. Back to you, Tito Teddy. 4 Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, Delta Zulu 1 Oscar. Maraming salamat po.
Likewise, Tito Jeff, maraming salamat and happy Sunday. And you're coming here, transmitting via VHF, and you're coming here 60 over S9 with the quality 5 audio. So that was the station of Delta Zulu 1 Oscar, Tito Jeff, from Bacoor City, the Club Auditor General. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the station of small town of Naik, Cavite, Tito Andy, for Hotel 1, Romeo, Victor, Quebec. Magandang umaga dyan, Tito Andy. Welcome to the roll call of the group.
Cute, timing talaga. Kuya, tinakit ko lang mobiling galing akong church. Anyway, thank you very much for acknowledging once again my station. Itong napaka-importante sa akin, yung roll call. Kailangan perfect. This is for Hotel 1, Romeo Hotel, Quebec, with the Handila Pandi from the small town Naik, Cavite. Just always supporting our family or our group, the X1CC, saying hello to each and everyone out there. At good morning everybody on monitor. Fresh and feeling ng umaga po. Yun, balik sa iyo Kuya at maraming salamat. May God bless us always. Moving forward by 73.
Yes, hello. Moving forward, likewise, Tito Andy and my 73 from the group. Roger, the roll call of the group is more important rather than any club. By supporting the club, you're truly member of the club. So that's true. So thank you very much, Tito Andy, for always supporting our roll call of the group. That was the station for Hotel 1 Romeo Victor Quebec on RF via VHF Bridge. Your station is now properly loud and clear. So also moving to the next station, the first RX voice on the list, Tito Obet from Imu City, Cavite, for Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Delta. RX voice, magandang umaga. Welcome to the roll call of the group.
For Golf 1, Romeo X-Ray Echo. Magandang umaga sa iyo, classmate Teddy. At magandang umaga kay Pres Edpil. At magandang umaga ate pandalawang classmate, kay parang Remit, kay paring Manny. At magandang umaga sa lahat ng the X1CC member and honorary member. At ganon din sa Ibayong Dagat. Magandang hapon o gabi po sa inyo. This is for Hotel 1 Romeo X Delta, just supporting our Sunday roll call, my 73, bye. Happy Sunday po sa lahat. Back to you, classmate Teddy. Maraming salamat.
Likewise, classmate Obet, happy Sunday, and thank you very much for always supporting the roll call of the club. My 73, and napakaganda ng audio mo ngayon. Medyo so that was the station for Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Delta, my classmate of the RX Boys, Tito Obet from Imu City, Cavite, transmitting from his Rajules. For Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Delta, your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station, another classmate, Tito Remy from Imu City, Cavite, for Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Charlie. Welcome to the roll call of the group.
For Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, magandang umaga sa ating mga officers and members and honorary members, kay Pres Edfield, kay Vice Richard, at kay Vice Mako, at kay Chairman Joel. Magandang umaga sa aking mga classmate, lalong-lalo na sa iyo, classmate Teddy, si Obet at si Manny, at magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga members ng DX1CC. This is for Hotel 1 Romeo X Charlie.
Ayun classmate Remy, maraming salamat for always supporting the group sa roll call. That was the station of the classmate Remy from Imu City, Cavite, one of the RX boys, my classmate. For Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Charlie, transmitting via DB Switch. Your station is now properly loud and clear. So moving to the next station, the Tech Brain, ayaw niya magpatawa. For Golf 1 Golf November 5, Edwin, maraming salamat and thank you yesterday. Dasmariñas City, welcome to the group's roll call.
Good morning, Teddy, for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo. Good morning, everyone. Gandang gabi hapon dyan sa US. For Golf 1 Golf November 5, joining Sunday roll call, walang ibang traffic. 73 and happy weekend.
Ayun, likewise Edwin, maraming salamat and thank you for always supporting the roll call of the group. Happy Sunday there and enjoy doing those gadgets. Maraming busy ka ngayon. You can find time, hindi naman lang madali. That was the station of 4 Golf 1 Golf November 5, si Edwin from Dasmariñas City, checking in to the roll call of the group. Your station is now properly loud and clear. So, moving to the next station, si Mark from Tansa, Cavite, one of the founder of the club. 4 Golf 1 Mike Whiskey November. Welcome to the roll call of the group.
For Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, Tito Teddy, good morning, and good morning to all station, and extending kay Press Edpil. Yun, for Golf 1 Mike Whiskey November, joining the, supporting the Sunday roll call. Number traffic, 73s and mabuhay.
Ayun, thank you very much, Mark, for always supporting the roll call of the group and still retaining your slot at number 15. Thank you for the support, my 73, and happy Sunday. That was the station of 4 Golf 1 Mike Whiskey November, Mark from Dansa, Cavite. Your station is now properly log and clear. Also acknowledging the station of Press Oyo for his early check-in. For Fox 1, Papa Uniform Zulu, the president of the X1 Echo and one of the honorary members of the X1C. Your station is now properly log and clear. So moving to the next station of the birthday boy, one of the honorary member from San Leandro, California, USA. I hope you're awake, still awake at walang masyadong visitors. Kikilo November 6, November Papa Charlie, Tisa Johnson, magandang gabi po dyan. Welcome to the roll call of the group.
Marami pong salamat, Mang Teddy. Maraming salamat po sa pagbati at magandang umaga sa Pilipinas. Magandang hapon pa dito sa amin sa US and Canada. Kilo November 6, November Papa Charlie Johnson supporting the Sunday roll call. No traffic. Back to you, Mang Teddy.
Ayun, likewise, thank you very much, Tito Johnson, for always supporting the roll call of the group. And please do enjoy your birthday there. So, cheers! Kakanta sana ako anyway. Baka mag-init yung harap. Anyway, that was the station of Kilo November 6, November Charlie, Tito Johnson from San Leandro, California, USA. And one of the honorary members of the club. Station is now properly log and clear. Moving to the next station, Tito Manny, one of my classmates, also from the RX Boys, for Hotel 1, Romeo, X-Ray Bravo. Tito Manny, magandang umaga dyan and happy Sunday. Welcome to the roll call of the group.
For Golf 1, Romeo X-Ray Echo, classmate Teddy, good morning din sa'yo. Good morning sa lahat ng club officers, members and honorary members ng DX1 Charlie. At good morning din sa lahat ng mga stations na nakamonitor sa roll call ng members ng DX1 Charlie. This is for Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Bravo, joining and supporting our club's Sunday roll call of members. May 73 and mabuhay. RX Boys, magandang umaga sa inyo. For Golf 1, Romeo X-Ray Echo, for Hotel 1, Romeo X-Ray Bravo. Maraming salamat, classmate. Back to you.
Ayun, Tito Manny, magandang umaga dyan at mukhang nasa biyahe ka na naman, nasa labas at mukhang busy street ka. Anyway, thank you very much, classmate Manny, for always supporting the roll call of the group. And also, baka nakakaligtaan mo, Tito Manny, please do check your license. At baka ata expired na, nakabe-birthday lang. Please do check in, concern lang ako. At baka makaligtaan, hindi mo napapansin. So, thank you very much for the support. That was the station of Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Bravo. Tito Manny from Taytay Rizal and one of the RX Boys. Your station is now properly log and clear. Moving to the next station, the club vice president for external affairs and one of the directors, board of directors of the club from Lagro, Quezon City, Vice Richard, Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mikey, for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, for the roll call of the group. Magandang umaga po dyan and happy Sunday. Ayun, Vice Richard, may transmit from your cloud RMC, but I got no audio. Can you kindly repeat it before acknowledging your station? One more time, magandang umaga po, Vice Richard. Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie for the roll call of the group.
Ayun, kaya Teddy, lumipat ako ng Regulus. Ayun, 4 Golf 1 Romeo X-ray Echo on board for the X1CC morning roll call. Good morning sa inyo ni Ate Lorna, Kuya Teddy, and to everybody. DB1 RMC joining the net, and I would like to greet a happy birthday yung dalawa nating honorary members. First, the Station of Jansen, Kilo November 6 November, Papa Charlie of KN6 Sheriff Foxtrot, and the other one is Kuya Ross, Delta Whiskey 3 Romeo of DX3 ARS. Ayun, happy birthday po sa inyong dalawa. So, DB1 RMC joining the net. Back to you. Salamat. 7-3.
Ayun, Vice Richard, magandang umaga at napakaganda ng audio mo dyan sa iyong Regulus na yan. Thank you very much, and yun, birthday pala ni Radio Rock, Tito Ross. Anyway, thank you very much for the support. Would you like to, that was the son of Vice Richard from Lagro, Quezon City, the club vice president for external affairs and one of the board directors of the club, Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie. Your station is now properly loud and clear. So moving to the next station, 4 Hotel 1, Foxtrot, Quebec, Papa, also one of the founder of the club from Quezon City. Ma'am Tina, magandang umaga po dyan and happy Sunday there.
Yes, good morning, Tito Teddy. Happy birthday kay Jansen and happy birthday din kay Tito Ross. And of course, good morning sa lahat. For Hotel 1, Foxtrot, Quebec, Papa, just joining our Sunday roll call of members. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Thank you, and 7-3.
Ma'am Tina, happy Sunday there, and please do extend my regards, my 73 to Sid. Magandang umaga sa kanya at mukhang busy ngayon, baka nasa church na naman. Anyway, thank you very much for always supporting the club's roll call. That was the station of Ma'am Tina from Lagro, Kansas City, and one of the founder of the club, 4 Hotel 1, Foxtrot, Quebec, Papa. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the station of 4 Hotel 1, Whiskey Juliet Delta, Tito Luke from Kawit, Cavite. Magandang umaga and happy Sunday. Welcome to the roll call of the club.
Yun, yan, pati po sa inyo. And this is 4 Hotel 1, Whiskey Juliet Delta, just very easy. And 7-3, mabuhay po tayo niyo lahat. 4 Golf 1, Romeo X-ray Echo, 4 Hotel 1, Whiskey Juliet Delta clear. And that's Sunday, 7-3.
Ayun, thank you very much, Tito Luke, and you're transmitting on VHF via VHF bridge. Thank you very much. Medyo mukhang nasa edge ka at mahina lang yung audio pero clear copy. That was the station of Tito Luke from Kawit, Cavite, one of the member of the club, 4 Hotel 1, Whiskey Juliet Delta. Your station is now properly loud and clear. So moving to the next station, 4 Golf 1, Golf Papa Yankee, Tito Chris from General General Trias, Cavite. Magandang umaga po at welcome to the roll call of the group.
4 Golf 1 Romeo X-ray Echo, 4 Golf 1 Golf Papa Yankee. Good morning, Tito Teddy. Good morning all around. And good afternoon or good evening to the US and Canada. This is the station of 4 Golf 1 Golf Papa Yankee, Chris from the city of Gentry. With no traffic, just joining and supporting our club's Sunday roll call. 73 and mabuhay. Back to you, Tito Teddy.
Returning back, my 73, and mabuhay to you. Salamat for supporting the roll call of the group. That was the station of Chris from General Trias, Cavite, transmitting via his radioless. For Golf 1, Golf Papa, one of the members of the club, your station is now properly loud and clear. Now moving to the chairman of the board from Tansa City, Tito Joel, Delta Victor 1 X-Ray. Magandang umaga po dyan and enjoy the Sunday. Welcome to the roll call of the club.
Roger, good morning, Net Control. Good morning, all stations all around. Victor and X-Ray here, checking in for the routine groups net call. We have no order for the traffic. We'll just stay on monitor 73. Hasta la vista, Control.
Giselle, hasta la vista likewise. That was the station of Tito Joel transmitting from his VHF. You're coming here 5 and 9 and quality 5 audio, napakaklaro. From Tansa, Cavite, the chairman of the board, Delta Victor 1A, your station is now properly loud and clear. So moving to the station of Tito Frederick, 4 Hotel 1, Oscar, Sierra November, one of the founder of the club. Welcome to the roll call of the group.
Good morning, Jan, Tito Teddy. And good morning to all Palams, the expenses. It's Doc Nanich, this is 4 Hotel 1, Oscar Sierra November with Angelo Frederick from Rosario, Cavite. Ayun, just joining the Sunday roll call net. Mabuhay 73. Salamat po.
Yun, likewise, Tito Frederick, maraming salamat. Thank you very much for the support, my 73, and God bless. That was the station of 4 Hotel 1, Oscar Sierra November, Tito Frederick from Rosario, Cavite, one of the founder of the club. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the station of Tito Arnold from City, 4 Golf 1, Romeo Victor Papa. Magandang umaga po. 4 Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo for the roll call of the club. Welcome to the roll call.
4 Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo. 4 Golf 1 Romeo Victor Papa. Good morning po, Tito Teddy. Good morning all station. Station of 4 Golf 1 Romeo Victor Papa with the handle of Arnold. Transmitting in Nabaleta, Cavite. Joining the Sunday morning roll call with no more traffic. 4 Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, 4 Golf 1 Romeo Victor Papa. 73 po at mabuhay.
Ayun, thank you very much, Tito Arnold from Noveleta City, and thank you very much for always supporting the roll call of the club. You're transmitting on VHF bridge, and you're coming here 5 and 9 plus 60 and the quality 5 audio. Napakalinis. That was the station of 4 Golf 1, Romeo Victor Papa. Tito Arnold, one of the member of the club, your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station, 4 Golf 1, Whiskey Victor. Itong idol ko pagdating sa EQSL card. Tito Nilo from Noveleta City. Magandang umaga dyan and happy Sunday.
And likewise, 4 Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, 4 Golf 1 Whiskey Victor. Magandang umaga dyan, Teddy, at regard sa pamilya. And also to the DX1CC family, magandang umaga po. This is 4 Golf 1 Whiskey Victor, joining and supporting our Sunday roll call members. My 73 is God bless. Back to you, 4 Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, 4 Golf 1 Whiskey Victor. Salamat.
Ayun, likewise, Tito Arnold, sana madagdagan pa rin ang aking EQS. Hindi ko aabutin yung inaabot mo. Talaga napakasipag mag-net call, even the other clubs. So, thank you very much for the support, and you're transmitting via AYAC, connected to the club of the X1CC. 4 Golf 1 Romeo Victor Papa Arnold from Noveleta, Cavite. Your station is now properly loud and clear. So moving, acknowledging the station of John. Ay, ano pala? I'm sorry po, medyo nalito lang po ako. At Nilo, maraming salamat for the support and please accept my apology. Nagkamali lang po ako ng basa at matanda na ang lolo. That was the station of for Golf and Whiskey Victor Nilo from Noveleta City. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Also acknowledging the station of Attorney Jan. For Golf 1 Foxtrot Sierra Juliet from Imus City, Cavite, one of the members of the club. His station is now properly loud and clear. Again, moving to honorary member of the club from Malolos, Bulacan, Tito Jet. Delta United Uniform 3 X-Ray Victor Bravo. Magandang umaga po sa Bulacan. Welcome to the Roll Call of Club.
Yan, magandang umaga rin sa'yo, Tito Teddy, for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo. Yan. Para RX na Echo pa. Delta Uniform 3 X-Ray Victor Bravo po. Checking in for DX1CC. Maraming salamat po, 7-3.
Ayun, KSL, mukhang may occasion sa inyo at aming tao. Anyway, thank you very much, Tito Jet, for always supporting the roll call of the club. Mabuhay ka. Hoping to hear you again for the next edition of the roll call. That was the station of Tito Jet from Malolos, Bulacan, one of the honorary member of the X1CC, Delta Uniform 3 X-Ray Victor Bravo. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Now moving to the next station of Kilo Hotel 7, Lima Echo, Tito Billy from Las Vegas, Nevada, one of the honorary member also of the club. Welcome to the roll call of the group. Happy Sunday. Second call for the station of Tito Billy from Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. Kilo Hotel 7, Lima Echo. Welcome to the roll call of the group. Yun, still got no copy. So, to the stations na miss nila yung slot, please, you can break in or check in after we finishes the list of the members who joined last Sunday. So, acknowledging the station of Tito Rudy from San Bruno, California, one of the honorary member of the club, November 6, Delta Oscar Zulu, for his early check-in. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station, Kilo 6, India, Romeo Tito Lot from Claremont, California, USA. Also one of the honorary member of the club. Magandang gabi po dyan at welcome to the roll call of the group.
Sa Whiskey 1, IRF stroke K6. Remote K6. Napota.
Magandang umaga.
5-9 ka, malinaw ang signal. Thank you. Thank you.
Second. Ayun, Delta Whiskey 1 IRF for Golf 1 Romeo Echo. Ayun, thank you very much Tito Lot, and also giving back your signal strength. You're coming here also 60 over S9 with quality 5 audio. Thank you very much for the support, Delta Whiskey 1 India Romeo Foxtrot. Tito Lot, one of the honorary member of the club. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station, for Golf 1 Golf Hotel Yankee, Tito Lowy from our city, Cavite. Magandang umaga po dyan, and welcome to the roll call of the club.
Good morning for G1 RXE, for G1 GHYC Louis. Okay, checking in today for the roll call. Happy Sunday po sa lahat. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Back to your control.
Ayun, Lowy, thank you very much for the support and 73 din, and enjoy the Sunday. That was the station for Golf 1, Golf Hotel Yankee, Tito Lowy from Bacoor City, new member of the club. Your station is now properly logged and clear. Also acknowledging one of the new members of the club, Tito Edwin from Gima, transmitting from Gima, Zambales for his early check-in. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Echo. Tito Edwin, your station is now properly logged and clear. So moving to the next station of my friend, Randolph from Kawit, Cavite. Also one of the new member of the club, for Hotel 1, Quebec, Mike. Magandang umaga dyan, Randolph. Welcome to the roll call of the club. Second call for the station of 4 Hotel 1, Quebec, Mike Yankee. At Tito Randolph, if you are transmitting via BHF, nasa edge ka ng ating tawag nito link. You can find any other links para makuha ko yung signal mo. One more time. 4 Hotel 1, Quebec, Mike Yankee. Tito Randolph, magandang umaga. Welcome to the roll call of the club. I still got no copy, so anyway, Randolph, you can check in after the list, check back after the list. Now, also, acknowledging the station of Delta Victor 8, Whiskey Mike Tango, the Press Marco from General Santos City, one of the honorary member at for his early check-in, 6 o'clock, 6:11, Alpha Mike. Your station, Delta Victor 8, Whiskey Mike Tango, is properly logged and clear. So moving to the next station of Tito Leo from Los Angeles, California, USA. Also one of the honorary members of the Capcom group. Tito Leo, Alpha Foxtrot 6, Papa Foxtrot. Magandang umaga po, magandang gabi po dyan. Welcome to the roll call of the club.
Magandang umaga, Net Control, Kuya Tidi. Magandang umaga, DX1 CC family. Magandang umaga kay Prince Edfield at saka sa lahat ng kinig. Alpha Foxtrot 6, Papa Foxtrot, checking in and supporting our DX1 CC net. Marami pong salamat. Mabuhay, God bless, and 73 all around. Alpha Foxtrot 6, Pogi forever. Back to you, Net Control. Marami pong salamat. Ingat-ingat po.
Likewise po, ingat-ingat. Ayun, sinabi yung Pogi Forever. Sana hihingi ako ng permission sa inyo that I can also call you as Tito Pogi, as the other station call you. Anyway, thank you very much, Tito Pogi, Leo, for always supporting the roll call of the club. Your station for Alpha Foxtrot 6, Pogi Forever, Alpha Foxtrot 6, Papa Foxtrot. One of the honorary member of the club. Your station is now properly logged and clear. So moving to the next station, the club vice president for internal affairs and one of the board directors of the club from General Trias, Cavite, Tito Mako, Delta Victor 1, Papa. Magandang umaga. Welcome to the roll call of the club.
Good morning, Teddy. Morning, officers and members. Delta Victory 1 Papa joining our Sunday roll call. 73.
Ayun, likewise, 73 there, Tito Mako. At magandang umaga, and thank you very much for always supporting the roll call of the club. That was the station of Tito Mako, the club vice president for internal affairs and one of the board directors of the club from General Cavite, Delta Victor 1 Papa. Your station is now properly logged and clear. Now acknowledging the station of John, Father John, Attorney John, for Golf 1 Whiskey X-Ray, John from Imos, Cavite, member of the club, and for his early check-in at watcher siya ng examination ng bar Wow. Thank you very much for the support, my 73, and mabuhay ka, and do take care. For Go for Whiskey X-Ray, your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station, the adapted station of the RX Boys, 4 Hotel 1, Romeo, Yankee, Delta, Yancy. Magandang umaga dyan at welcome to the roll call of the club. One more call, Delta 4 Hotel 1, Romeo, Yankee, Delta, Yancy. You're on the frequency. Please go now at welcome to the roll call of the club. Nothing heard. So, to all stations na na-miss nila yung slot, please do break in or come back later after we finishes the list. And sorry po at delay pala yung transmit ni Tito Billy. So I would like to acknowledge the station of the Tito Billy from Las Vegas, Nevada. Pasensya na po at napabilis lang at hindi ko narinig yung inyong transmit. Anyway, my apology, and I would like to acknowledge your station, Tito Billy, for his check-in, one of the honorary member of the club from Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, Kilo Hotel 7, Lima Echo. Your station now properly loud and clear. Pasensya na po. So, moving to the next station after Yancy, 4 Hotel 1, Foxtrot, Tango Foxtrot, Tito Al from Aklan, Panay Island. Magandang umaga po. Welcome to the roll call of the club.
Yan, likewise, Tito Teddy, good morning dyan. Our station, good morning. DX1CC, good morning. President Pel, good morning. All officer and member, good morning. Ayun, this is Porter 1, Paxrat, Tango Paxrat, stroke DU6, transmitting over Kalibo, Aklan. Weather status, medyo makulimlim na at medyo mga 2 days ago, medyo malakas ang ulan. May mga pagbaha dito sa lulugarin ng some part of municipality of Aklan. Ayun, just joining Sunday roll call. May God bless us all, 73 and mabuhay. Moving forward, take it back, Teddy, maraming salamat.
Ayun, mabuhay ka rin, Tito Al, at maraming salamat for the WX there in Panay. Likewise here, medyo kulimlim din at nagbabandyang umulan, paminsan-minsan bumubuhos yung malakas, tapos titigil din ng with the span of 30 minutes, tapos babagsak din. Ganun ang WX here in Cavite. So thank you very much, Tito Al, and please do take care dyan at mukhang malalakas din ang pagdating ng ulan dyan. The station of 4 Hotel 1, Foxtrot, Tango Foxtrot. Thank you for always supporting the roll call of the group. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station, Tito Edums from Imos, Cavite, one of the founder of the club. 4 Golf 1, X-Ray, Foxtrot, Delta. Magandang umaga dyan. Welcome to the roll call of the group.
Good morning, God. Pag-iwan, Alexi. Good morning sa lahat. Ang inyong lingkod, si Edoms, walang iba. 4G1 X-Ray Foxtrot Delta. Sumusuporta. At laging masaya sa pagraradyo. Ayan. Happy Sunday po sa lahat. Sa ibang panig ng bansa, kumusta kayo dyan? Ingat palagi. Ayan. 7-3, Roger. Balik sa'yo. Salamat.
Ayun, thank you very much, Tito Edums, transmitting from VHF. You're coming here 5 and 5. Mukhang mobiling ka, 5x5 to 5x2. At quality 5 naman yung audio. Maraming salamat for always supporting the roll call of the club. Hope to hear you next Sunday for the next edition of the roll call. 4 Golf 1, X-Ray Foxtrot Delta, Tito Edums from Imos, Cavite, one of the founder of the club. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station, 4 Golf 1, Golf Hotel Zulu, Tito Derek, one of the member of the club from Las Piñas City. Magandang umaga po dyan, Tito Derek. Welcome to the roll call of the club.
Good morning to all stations. Just checking in. We'll be on QRX.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Derek, on QRX. And thank you very much for the support. That was the station of 4 Golf 1 Golf Hotel Zulu, Tito Derek from Las Piñas, Metro Manila, one of our new member of the club. Your station is now properly loud and clear. 73. Moving to the next station, also from Las Piñas City, Metro Manila, Tito Eric, 4 Golf 1 Golf Hotel Papa. Magandang umaga po dyan and welcome to the group roll call. A second call for the station of the Tito Eric, 4 Golf 1 Golf Hotel Papa. Welcome to the roll call of the club. Yan, still got no copy. So again, reminding lang that you can check back later after we finishes the list. 5 stations na lang at matatapos na, you can check back if you missed your slot. So moving to the next station, Tito Clarence from Cavite City, Delta Zulu 1 Kilo. Magandang umaga dyan and welcome to the roll call of the club.
Ayun, Tito Teddy, 4 Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, good morning, magandang umaga po sa lahat. Delta Zulu 1 Kilo, si Clarence po from Cavite. Just joining and supporting the Sunday roll call, no traffic, 7-3, back to you Tito Teddy, magandang umaga po sa lahat, happy Sunday.
Likewise, Tito Clarence, happy Sunday likewise and enjoy your stay there in Cavite City. Sunday ngayon, take a rest. You're transmitting via BHF, via our BHF bridge. Still, you're coming here 5 and 9, 6 over X, 60 dB. Very strong signal and a quality 5 audio. Congratulations. Delta Zulu 1 Kilo, Tito Clarence from Cavite City, Cavite, one of the members of the club. Checking into the roll call of the club. Your station is now properly loud and clear. Moving to the next station, one of the member of the club for Indian Fox Mike, Tito Ray, magandang umaga dyan and happy Sunday. Welcome to the roll call of the club. Second call for the station of Tito Ray for India 1, Foxtrot Sierra Mike, for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo for the roll call of the X1CC. Magandang umaga, welcome to the roll call of the club. I got no copy, so moving to the next station, for India 1, Tango, Kilo, Kilo, Tito Marvin from Nabeleta, Cavite, magandang umaga dyan. Welcome to the roll of the club.
Good morning dyan, Tito Teddy, RXC, for I1 PKK joining and supporting the Sunday roll call of the group. And without dropping my 73, for Golf 1 RXC, for I1 PKK 73.
Likewise, 73 there, Tito Marvin, you're transmitting via BHF. And yung na-link mo, 60 over S9 with the quality 5 audio, very strong signal and audio. And on my portable, you're coming here also 5 and 9, mukhang naka-full power ka. Anyway, 73 there, Tito Marvin, Tito Marvin, and thank you very much for the support. And hoping to hear you again next Sunday for the next edition of the roll call. That was the station of 4 for India 1, Tango Kilo Kilo, Tito Marvin from Noveleta, Cavite, the Club Secretary General of the X1CC. Your station is now properly lag and clear. So also acknowledging the station of 4 Golf 1 Tango Kilo Fox, Tita Sherlyn from General Trias, Cavite, the Club Assistant Treasurer, and also one of the Board Director of the Club for her early check-in. Her station is now properly lag and clear. So, do sa mga na-miss po nilang slot, you can check back anytime you wish. I just finishes the list for the stations who check in last Sunday. So, I'm now calling for any member, officers, or honorary members of the club. Please make your call now. This is 4 Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo for the roll call of the X1CC. I will be listening.
Orange 1 Yankee Juliet Bravo for I1 Yankee Juliet Bravo for the roll call.
Ayun, 4 Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, control. All stations, please do stand by. So, for India 1, Yankee Juliet Bravo, Tito Richard, magandang umaga dyan at welcome to the roll call of the group. Uulan, huwag kang magsasampay.
Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo for India 1 Yankee Juliet Bravo. Good morning, Tito Teddy. Yan, tumama na ako sa pangalan. Good morning to all fellow members. Good afternoon, good evening sa mga nasa ibang dagat. For India 1 Yankee Juliet Bravo. Si Richard, gusto na naman ang inyong tawag dahil ako ay natutulog pa. Baka yan tatawag ka rin. Pagising, buti na lang ang pagkakagising ko okay pa. At ang sampay ko naman ay sa loob ng bahay. Kaya pwede magsampay kahit na. Joining supporting our Sunday roll call. 73 gives from Mabuhay. Moving forward. Maulan na rito.
Ayun, dito medyo mainit pa rin pero nagbabadya pa rin pag-ulan. Ayun, thank you very much. Anyway, Tito Richard, please do take your rest then. Aabot naman hanggat wala pang 9 o'clock Kahit ma-miss mo yan, you can check back naman after the list. Anyway, please, ayun, make it good and agahan mo sana matapos para makuha mo yung rest ng maganda. Thank you very much for the support for India 1 Yankee Juliet Bravo, Tito Richard, the Club Assistant Secretary General and one of the NCS of the X1CC. Your station is now properly lag and clear. Ayun, second call for calling for members, honorary members and officers of the DX1CC. This is 4 Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, listening. For Hotel 1 Lima Echo X-Ray, magandang umaga po. Welcome to the roll call of the club.
Delta Whiskey 1 Zulu, Delta Whiskey 1 Zulu.
Ayun, Delta Whiskey 1 Zulu, kindly hold on, clear copy po. Ayun, thank you very much, Hener. Pasensya na nagkamali ng pandinig kanina. Matanda na yung lolo mo. Anyway, you're transmitting barefooted on VHF and you're coming here 5 and 7. Mukhang mabiling ka. For Hotel 1 Lima Oscar X-Ray, Tito Hener on mobile joining our roll call. Thank you very much for the support and hoping to hear you once again for the next edition of the roll call of the club. Your station is now properly lag and clear. Moving to the next station, Delta Whiskey 1 Zulu. Tito Iggy, magandang umaga po. Welcome to the net.
Good morning, Teddy, and good morning, fellow DX1CC members and officers. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Joining the roll call with no traffic, 73, mabuhay tayong lahat.
Yon, likewise, giving back mabuhay to you and please do enjoy the Sunday. Thank you very much for the support, Tito Iggy, and hoping to hear you again for the next edition of the roll call of the club. That was the station of Tito Iggy from Tansa, Cavite, one of the founder of the X1CC, Delta Whiskey 1 Zulu. Your station is now properly loud and clear. So again, calling for any more members, honorary members or officers of the DX1CC, make your call now for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo for the roll call. Listen.
For Indy 1 Foxtrot Sierra Mike, good morning.
For Hotel 1 Quebec Mike Yankee, pasensya na po, ngayon lang naka-back on.
Ayun, for India 1 Foxtrot Sierra Mike, Tito Ray, magandang umaga and happy Sunday. Welcome to the roll call of the club.
For Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, Tito Teddy, good morning. This is for Indy 1 Foxtrot Sierra Mike, si Ray, joining our Sunday roll call. No further traffic, 73, happy Sunday sa lahat.
Ayun, Tito Ray, likewise, happy Sunday there and ayun, enjoy mo yung Sunday ngayon at bukas tsak may pasok na naman kahit ulan. Anyway, thank you very much, Tito Ray, for always supporting the roll call of the group. Buti na for checking back. That was the station for India 1 Foxtrot Sierra Mike. Also from the club, your station is now properly loud and clear. So, yun, third call for any more members, officers and honorary members of the club of the X1CC. This is for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo for the roll call. Make your call now for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo listening.
For Hotel 1 Quebec Mike Yankee, for Hotel 1 Quebec Mike Yankee. Good morning, Tito Ted.
Ayun, for Hotel 1 Quebec Mike Yankee, for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo for the roll call of the X1CC. Magandang umaga dyan, Randolph. Welcome to the roll call of the club.
Yes, good morning for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo, for Hotel 1 Quebec Mike Yankee. Just supporting the roll call of the day, Sunday. Good morning, all stations, President Peel. For Hotel 1 Quebec Mike Yankee, back to you, Tito Ted.
Ayun, thank you very much, Randolph. You're transmitting on your DB switch. Akala ko ginagamit mo na yung Echo Link para makalipat-lipat. Anyway, thank you very much for the support and hoping to hear you once again for the next edition of the roll call on Sunday. So thank you very much. That was the station of Randolph for Golf 1. For Hotel 1, Quebec Mike Yankee, a new member of the club. Your station is now properly live here. At the time now is exactly 9 o'clock. So final call for any more members, honorary members or officers of the X1CC. Please make your call now. This is for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo listening. Nothing heard, so I think that's what it. It's already 9 o'clock. That concludes this week's roll call. Thank you very much for the station who supported the roll call of the group, and hoping to hear each other again next Sunday. I am now closing the roll call. The frequency and all other links are back to its normal use. Again, this is 41 Romeo X-Ray Echo Teddy saying enjoy the rest of your Sunday. 73 and mabuhay. Thank you for sharing your time with us. DX1CC for Golf 1 Romeo X-Ray Echo Clear. Frequency clear.